Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about Clickbank. I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step tutorial on how to create Clickbank account, how to join the affiliate program, how to get the affiliate links, how to promote the affiliate links. I'm going to be showing you all the information you need about Clickbanks in this video. All right. So if you're someone that is interested, you're looking for information about Clickbank, you want to know how you can sign up, you want to know how you can get the affiliate links and promote, then you have come to the right channel. Clickbank is free to sign up. You don't need to pay anyone any money to sign up to join the Clickbank affiliate program. All right, so I'm going to be showing you in this video how to get started. So if this is the kind of video you want to watch, stick around, watch this video to the very end. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Chinewa Violet. On this channel, I share different ways on how to make money online. So if this is the kind of content you want, if you want to make money online, please hit that subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell beside it so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back to my channel. So now let's get into today's video. Go to Google and type Clickbank, and you click on the first link, and to bring you to this page where you'll be asked to start here. Because you want to create an account, so you have to click on start here. And then you'll be asked to, you might want to answer these questions or you skip it. To bring you to this page where you have to fill up your information. So if you have to select your country, okay, where you are. Okay, unfortunately, if you are from Nigeria, you cannot create Clickbank account because Clickbank is not here. Okay, so you just select your country and then put in your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, your password. Create a password, all right, for your Clickbank. Create a password. Now you have to follow these guidelines on creating your password. Okay, make sure it's at least 2 lowercase character, at least 2 uppercase character, at least 2 numbers, at least 2 special characters. For example, this is the example they gave. Password cannot exceed 32 characters. Password cannot contain spaces. So you have to follow these guidelines when you're creating your password. All right. So, you're going to click on continue to terms and condition. When you click on this, this box will be visible for you to check. So you can check on this box. Once you're done going through the terms and condition, you check on this box and then you can join Clickbank. It's very easy. So now I'm going to log into my account, okay, to show you how you can get the how you can join brands, how you can get the Clickbank affiliate links and start promoting. Once you click on join Clickbank and it takes you to your dashboard, the next thing you need to do is to go to of course you have to set up your payments and all that. Set up your payment before you start selecting links. Go to account setting and set up your payments and your tax information, fill up the form, and then you submit it and generate your nickname because you need your nickname. Go to menu, pick marketplace, and then once you pick marketplace is the place you can find brands to work with. All right, so what you need to do is to select the brand. Now, highest niche that you can select, okay, that will give you sales. All right, now when you look at this category, remember we are still in the marketplace. All right, when you look at this category, what you need to they have art and entertainment. They have so many. Remember, like I said, there are so many products here. You don't just have to pick any product. Now look at what is happening right now. Look at what people are looking at for right now. Okay, what are people looking at for now? You can go into, there are so many. Now let me take it step by step. You can see here business and investing. We want to go into business and investing. So we click on business and investing and to bring us to this page. So now you have to look at, now these are the products you can promote. Okay, these are the products. The first one is wood profits. You earn $80 per sale. Okay, new copy double conversion. Now to get the most of the product that is ranking, what you need to do, you click on rank. Okay, click on rank and go to gravity. Click on gravity. Someone who is new on Clickbank, you might not know what is gravity. Gravity means that this product is on sale. Like people are is on demand. This product is on demand. People are selling this product. People are buying this product. Okay, that is what gravity is. All right, so you measure the product based on the gravity. So now when you say the gravity score, this product now has 20 gravity score. All right, this one has, so there's no gravity score. This one has 9, which is very low. Okay, this has 7, which is very low. This has 7.38, which is very low. This has 7. This has 6. This has 5. So you have to look at the gravity. And you click on, let's say this is, we want to promote this product. You want to have more information about this product. So what you need to do is to click on the product. When you click on the product, you bring up to the page. So this is the page. You can go through this. So if you want to promote this product, what you need to do is to click on promote here. When you click on promote, now you need to generate your hop link or your affiliate link. All right. Now, I just want to let you know that there are some brands that will require approval. Okay. Once you click on promote, they will tell you to send the request. So you have to send a request, put in your details, send your request, then they will check it out and they will approve you. Normally they will approve. I've never been declined. You get so normally they will approve your application. So what you need to do is you put in your nickname. Now you have to put in your nickname here, right here, right? Type in your nickname, and then this nickname will be included in your affiliate link. All right, that is like your identity, it's like your unique link. All right, so it's going to be included in your affiliate link. So you put in your nickname here, and then your tracking ID. If you want to put in your tracking ID, this is optional. You can leave it if you don't want. Then you click on create hop link. This is my unique affiliate link. I can shorten this. Okay, you can shorten because this is so ugly, this is so messy. So what you can do, you can use bit.ly.com to shorten this link, you make it nice a bit, and then you can start promoting this link. You can promote it on TikTok. Okay, TikTok is a free traffic. You can promote it for free on TikTok. You can promote it on your YouTube channel. You can promote it on your Facebook. You can promote this link on your Instagram account. You don't have to spam people. All you need to do is to make sure that you are doing it the right way. All right, you don't have to go to people's inboxes and be sending them messages and all that. All right, so you have to do it in the right way. Like there are some brand that doesn't want you to run ads. You just need to run a free traffic, like free traffic, promote the product using free traffic. That is what they need, by word of mouth, creating content about the product, and they don't just want you to run ads. So make sure that you are you're abiding by the terms and conditions of the brand you are promoting. All right, so you don't get your Clickbank account terminated. All right, so that is basically how you create your Clickbank account, how you get affiliate links, and how you can promote it for free. You can promote it on social media for free. You don't have to run any ads. All right, and you get clicks, you get sales. All right, so if you enjoy watching this video, please, I think it's time for you to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, massive thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet, and I'm going to see you in my next video.